Today's unit is brought to you by Luvme Hair.
See this beautiful purple box, right? You know who it's from. It's from Luvme Hair, of course. Yes, yes, yes. Today we're going to be showing you the Mature Boss wig. I've been waiting on this wig for a long time, I tell you, and she has restocked. And so we're definitely going to show you her today. Let's show you some of the free gifts that you're going to get in this box. You'll get this free HD cap. You're going to get an information package to tell you how to care for it or how to return it if you don't like it. Okay, but you're going to love this one. Now she comes with an elastic band. It's going to be inside your free gifts. Okay, if you want to use the elastic band method on your unit. Okay, this is where it's going to be. Luvme Hair is the world's #1 wig brand. You can unlock some exclusive gifts with this particular card, okay? Be sure to do that. And last but not least, you have this beautiful Luvme Hair bag to store your unit in, okay? So now that the unboxing is out of the way, let's show you what this Mature Boss wig is looking like straight out of the packaging. This one is in natural black. She comes in natural black. She comes in a highlighted color as well. But the natural black is what I was interested in wearing because I love the pre-style curls on here, okay? She's been sitting in the box for a minute and those curls are still holding very, very well. She's gonna be a left-sided part straight out of the packaging. Pre-cut lace, bleach knots, combs on each side, comb in the back, adjustable straps, and also stretchy cap. Big head friendly. Big head friendly, yes. This cap is very stretchy. Here's the area where you put your elastic band, the little black area. Just insert your elastic band right there and you are good to go. Okay, so we're gonna put our elastic band on. I think I'm gonna cut a little bit more of the lace off. I may not, I don't know. But that's my preference if I decide to do so. You don't have to. But this is her straight out of the packaging. Really, really nice, right? Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. So what I did is I went back in and cut some more of that lace off. I cut that lace off on each corner because I didn't like that on the corner. So I cleaned that corner up by cutting that lace completely off on that corner, okay? And I went in and cut some more off of the front. Let me tell you something, ladies. When it comes to cutting a lace, you definitely want you some of these jagged edge scissors. This is a great investment. Definitely get you some of these scissors right here. You can get these from the fabric stores. Great investment, okay? So you will cut your unit and you'll still have those beautiful jagged edges on there, okay? All right, so we're gonna put this girl on now, okay? Okay, so this is what the left-sided part is looking like. This is what the cut lace is looking like on that hairline. Yes, see over here, there's no lace showing. I cut that off. I don't like lace to be showing too much. Just a little foam wrap just to flatten the parting down. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we're gonna comb the curls a little bit. Oh. Even if you don't want the part to show over there, the hair just kind of went there, so hey. So let's put it back over here where it goes. Okay, so it goes on this side. So let's see what it's going to do. Come on now, behave. Because I was excited about this one. And I'm still excited about her. I'm just trying to find me in her. This is a beautiful unit, very beautiful, very mature, very sexy, very classy. But when it comes to this unit, you're gonna definitely have to comb her to your particular style because the curls are pre-curled. So you're gonna have to play with her a little bit. But look at this side right here. Very pretty, very, very sexy, very natural looking. This is the back. And I'm still playing with her to find myself in this beautiful unit. Very natural looking though, very natural. You can add some more curls to this unit if you would like to achieve the look that you are desiring as well. Even though it comes pre-curl, you can always add some more curls to it. But yeah, she's cute. And the more that I play with her, the more she's going to become what I want her to be. And she's cute now. She has a lot of potential, okay? So I tried this beautiful unit with the side part that it came with the left side. That just did not work for me. So I just moved the parting over into this area right here. Boom. And then I began to play with the curls. And look what happened. This works for me. Yeah, check her out. Check her out. She's just gorgeous. So when you get this unit, make her your own. This is the Mature Boss. She's back in stock. This is her in a natural black. She comes in highlighted colors as well. If you like this one, definitely add her to your wig collection. This is a human hair unit, okay? So you can add more curls to her. If you want to cut some layers, that's up to you because it's your wig. Do what works for you. But this is her straight out of the packaging with these pre-curls that are simply gorgeous, okay? With a left-sided part, which is going to go over here, but this part works for me right there, and it still balances out. And the more that I put my hands in it and finger her and do stuff to her, she's just coming alive. And that's what I love about a unit. It may not look the same on every person because it's not supposed to. You make the wig you're on, okay? Definitely do that. That's what I'm gonna keep doing, is playing with Mature Boss and finding myself in her. Because I still haven't found myself in her. She hasn't found me, and neither have I found her. But I think she's gorgeous. She has a lot of potential. She reminds me of what my hair used to look like when I did have hair. Really pretty. Very natural looking. Adorable. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so all the information about this unit is going to be down in my description box. Mature Boss, she's back in stock.